Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add ambience effect to your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the effect button next to the adjust option at the bottom of the page, and here you can find the ambience option next to the weather section, and here you can find shade and lighten effects, and just select one, and if you want to edit, just drag the circle on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.